This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to share a list link on Letterboxd. So lots of different ways to actually find lists on Letterboxd in which to share. I will show you just a couple of methods right here. I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page at letterboxd.com. So we will hover over our profile image right here at the top and click on profile. Now we're on the profile. I'm going to show you how to share your own list by showing you how I would share one of my own lists, and I'll also show you how to share other people's lists as well. So first of all, we click on lists right here in this kind of tab area right here. I've got some of my lists shown here. Now, if I wanted to share this top films from the 1940s one, or maybe I could go with one of my more popular lists. Okay, so you look through for the list that you want to share, and I've found, it took me a little while here, but I've got this list right here. It's very popular. It's had nearly, it's had over 7,000 likes and probably lots of shares as well. All major critics lists combined. So we click on the list. Now that will open up the list itself. This is a huge list of over 4,000 films right here. Now, in order to actually share this list, now bear in mind I am the list owner. It says list by film lifestyle, that's me. You will hover over share. Now you've got this shortened version right here, so we can click on the clipboard. That will copy that to the clipboard, and all that's left to do is, well, I'll just show you what that looks like. New tab, and that's the shortened version. And you can see that that opens up. So if you want to have that short link, maybe in a newsletter or on social media or on a website, wherever you want to put it, you can do that. You can, of course, share the long link as well. Bear in mind, that will still obviously take you to this list, as that's a specific link for this list. But then there's another cool thing you can do. So you can hover over share again, and they've also got Twitter, now known as X, easy share mode, and they've got one for Facebook as well. So I'll show you the X version. So you click on the little X right there, and what that will do is that will actually give you an instant share kind of text. You can obviously tweak your text and add your own text and sort of caption it and stuff, and then you can instantly post to Twitter, now known as X. So that's pretty handy. What if you want to actually share somebody else's list? Well, you can click on lists at the top. Now, there's lots of ways to find lists on Letterboxd. I mean, the whole platform is mainly a list platform, arguably. So, you know, you can find your list in any different ways. Like, I'll open up a couple here. We've got this movies everyone should see at least once in their lifetime. We can click on that. Got some filters on here, but this is an 800 film list right here. Now, again, we can just share and we can copy to clipboard, or we can go straight to X or Facebook in the same way. You can see here, and what it actually does, it should pull in this this really cool graphic of the list as well. So not just the text, but actually the graphic here. It does that. I don't know why it didn't do that the last time. It doesn't always do that. But it should do. So here's another list. This is one of the most followed lists on the whole site. This is the official top 250 narrative feature films. I've only got 11 to go apparently. In the same way, we can hover over share, and we've got these options. If I click on this one, there you go, and we get the nice graphic as well for the film that's at the top of the list right there. So hopefully you found this video on how to share a list link on Letterboxd. I've shown you how to do your own lists and how to do other people's lists. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.